Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the D-Limonene from Alliance Chemical. This is a natural citrus solvent that can be used in a variety of applications. So we use this here mixed with tung oil to seal some butcher block countertops, and it worked so well. The nice thing about this is that it is food safe. It can also be used in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and even used as a natural degreaser. So there are tons of different uses for this product, which is really nice if you're a DIYer. We got this in the 1 gallon container size, and a little really went a long way in this application, but depending on what you're using this for, you can get it in a variety of different size options from 1 quart up to 220 gallons. So they definitely get you covered on the size options. The nice thing about this is that it's made from recycled orange peels, and let me tell you, it smells like a burst of sunshine wherever you are using it. It has a really strong citrus scent, but it's not unpleasant. It really just smells like you're peeling a fresh orange, so it's really nice that it doesn't have a strong chemical or really caustic smell. So we're really happy with the way that this product worked, along with the oil to seal these countertops. I think they came out beautiful, and I would definitely use this product again. So we would recommend it for your next project, and that's my point of view.